Today I'm going to show you the #1 mod for a 22-inch Weber Smokey Mountain and how to install it. First, center the lid with the midsection. You look around the back, you'll find a seam along the midsection. Set the top part of the hinge so it rests in the seam of the lid, centered with the seam in the midsection. Use some tape to hold it in place. You're going to want to use at least 3 drill bits to step your way up to a 1/4 inch hole. Fasten the upper hinge to the lid using a Phillips head screwdriver and a 7/16 inch socket or box wrench. Realign the lid with the midsection so that the lower half of the hinge is centered over that seam in the midsection. Use some tape to secure the lower part of the hinge in place. Again, start by drilling a small hole. Remove the hinge and enlarge the holes, stepping up to a 1/4 inch. Once you're done, secure the lower part of the hinge using the remaining nuts and bolts. As the owner of multiple Weber Smokey Mountains, I can tell you, once you install a hinge, I guarantee you'll wish you did it sooner. And when you do, you'll know exactly why. This is the #1, hands down, best and most important, most necessary mod for a 22-inch Weber Smokey Mountain.